Equation of a line passing through 2 points. The first point has x equals 6, and y equals 2. The second point has x equals 24, and y equals 5.
First, place the 2 points on the coordinate grid.
The run is the horizontal change, from x equals 6 to x equals 24, the run is 18. The rise is the vertical change, from y equals 2 to y equals 5, the rise is 3.
Slope is rise divided by run, 3 over 18, which simplifies to 1 over 6. Now draw the line through both points.
Start with point slope form, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Then fill in the boxed values, slope is 1 over 6, x1 is 6, and y1 is 2.
That gives the specific point negative slope equation for this line.
Finally, solve for y to get slope negative intercept form.
The graph and the equation describe the same line.